Heidelberg Showtime.
We are now switching from labels and cutting machines to another post-press discipline, folding. And anyone who has ever invested in this area has faced the question, should we choose soft PU or hard PU for the folding rollers? So they also had to face the choice between compromises to be made. Rendering these compromises a thing of the past is what the designers and inventors at Heidelberg Development are working on.
One person in the development department has to be very creative, must be able to work together in a team, see different things from different points of views, and uses different methods to get a solution for the problems. My name is Udo Ganter. I am head of mechanical engineering and test department from Heidelberg Postpress in Ludwigsburg. At the moment, we work together in a team to develop a brand new folding roller, which combines the advantage of the hard polyurethane folding roller for a sharp folding line and the advantages of the soft polyurethane for a good grip. The name of the new fold roller is Perfect Grip. The Perfect Grip will satisfy the customer's demands. It's perfect grip. We started the development process with new materials. We tested many materials, different compounds. At the end, the conclusion was that we could not reach the solution only with material. At this point, we collected some people. We gathered them in a room and started brainstorming, not only technicians. We used other people so that we get a different mix of ideas. And there was one idea, and this was, why don't we change the geometry? We combined new material with new geometry within one fold roller. That was the solution. Our happiest moment was after we had the brand new fold rollers, the Perfect Grip fold rollers in the machine. We double-checked everything, the grip was perfect, and then we had our first fold, a package of brand new folded signatures. They said, yes, we did it because the fold quality was perfect. The field test customers are very happy. We have on one side a classic bookbinder. His feedback was very positive regarding the adjustment of the Perfect Grip fold rollers and the fold quality. And on the other hand, we have a high volume bookbinder. He gave us a feedback that it is very, very positive to work with this machine on a high speed, 24/7, and so we are very satisfied. It's called Perfect Grip, so it must be perfect.